Hello my lovely people, how una dey? I hope say una dey fine. No, I hope say today me I quick share this information with una my lovely people. Now no say when I want monetize my YouTube channel I get Google Adsense problem. So this second one now when I open, I don't know say before I go monetize I need to close my first Google Adsense. So when I reach the monetization, I want monetize the same thing still happen. They tell me say I don't already get Google Adsense, so I not fit get to Google Adsense. And that time I continue they do research, they watch many videos, say I go fit solve the problem. So it get the one when I watch, when I really understand, but I try and for my own, it not still work. My friend now can say, may we send this guy message, maybe he go reply, go still help us. As we send a message, before you know the guy don't reply or say, make we reach him for IG. Now so can't reach the boy, he come help me fix the Google Adsense. As if it's on today, the next day YouTube don't tell me say congratulations my lovely people. They say what you don't know, you don't know. I try, I not fix am. Now the guy now he can help me fix am. I say, may I can still share with my amazing people for this white street in case if you now they pass the same stress. Now not fix now Google Adsense. The solution they here. If you need the contact, leave your comment on the comment section. I go send you the boy contact where you go take reach and go help you fix am. And not be free now $50 now the boy charge me now I pay where it help me fix am. Now this information I say me I can still share with now my lovely people. I go see you now for my next video. Bye.